Your cat is hungry. You bought an automatic feeder for peace of mind, but what if it fails while you're away? What if it jams, loses power, or worse, leaves your feline friend starving? The wrong choice isn't just an inconvenience, it's a risk. In this video, we've stress-tested the top 15 models on the market to bring you the only 5 that passed our brutal reliability tests. The results surprised even us. All the links to purchase the top picks are waiting for you in the video description. Let's find the perfect one for your cat. Starting at number 1. Whisker Feeder Robot. Best overall. The Whisker Feeder Robo won't let you, or your cat, down at mealtime. I've used this feeder in my 2-cat home for over 3 years, and it hasn't missed a meal, even when the power or Wi-Fi goes out. Plus, the large capacity hopper has a cat-proof squeeze-to-open mechanism, so even my most determined cat can't break in. The feeder robot is easy to program through its companion app. You can schedule up to 8 meals a day or set it to gravity feed for continuous feeding. The app also monitors the food level. Thanks to its local storage, the feeder will dispense food on schedule even without an internet connection. In the case of unexpected power outages, a rechargeable backup battery, sold separately, will keep the feeder running. Unlike some of my other picks for the best automatic cat feeders, the feeder robot doesn't have a camera or two-way audio. It also has a higher price tag than other contenders with more features. That said, it's backed by time-tested, reliable technology from a reputable company, and you can try it at home for 90 days before you commit. Number 2. PetLibro Air Automatic Pet Feeder. Best budget. The PetLibro Air Feeder is a great option for budget-conscious cat parents, especially those with multiple pets, like myself. While it's only $50 and $250 less than the feeder robot, it doesn't skimp on quality, much like the brand's capsule fountain, my top pick for the best cat water fountains. The PetLibro Air includes a stainless steel bowl, which is preferred by veterinarians like Dr. Bradley Crone at the vets. That's because stainless steel helps minimize bacterial growth compared to plastic. Plus, the feeder has a secure press-to-release lid, control panel cover, and anti-paw rotor that keeps even my most determined cat from snatching extra kibble. Whenever I place my cat's food bowls side by side, one cat eats while the other hangs back. Even when I offer separate bowls a little farther apart, they'll stop eating to give each other the side eye. Watson recommends placing feeders in separate areas or rooms to prevent territorial behaviors and anxiety. The compact design of the PetLibro Air allows me to spread out feeding stations around the house, while its lower price makes buying multiple feeders more feasible. Number 3. PetLibro Granary Camera Monitoring Feeder. Best with camera. If you like to check up on your cat while you're away, the PetLibro Granary stands out as one of the best automatic cat feeders. It has a 1080 pixel camera with a wide-angle lens that provides a clear view of the feeder bowl and the surrounding area, day or night. The feeder also shines when it comes to meal customization and precise portion control. You can schedule up to 10 meals a day, and portion sizes are adjustable down to 1/12 cup. Like the feeder robot, the Granary features a companion app for scheduling meals and low food alerts. 3D batteries, not included, prevent missed meals during power outages. Plus, its small footprint, affordability, and twist-off cat-proof lid make it a top recommendation. While there's no phone support, if you run into an issue, you can send the team a message online for email support. With this feeder, you can swap the single feeder bowl for a dual one. However, the experts I spoke to recommend feeding cats in separate areas of the room or even in different rooms to minimize anxiety between feline housemates. Number 4. PetLibro Air Wi-Fi Feeder. The PetLibro Air Wi-Fi Feeder is not the most fully featured automatic cat feeder we tested, but it does have the best balance of reliability, affordability, smart features, and ease of use out of any we've tested. The Wi-Fi version of the PetLibro Air uses a large, 5,200 mAh lithium-ion battery, that's a higher capacity than the largest iPhone, to power the feeder for 30 days at a time, after an 8-hour charge. In our experience, the long-lasting battery life typically extends well past 30 days. The PetLibro Air device is very compact for an automatic feeder, and since it's wireless, it's easy to put anywhere in the house, even up on higher surfaces, or to move it from place to place. Its rounded, squat design also makes it difficult to tip over. One of our test cats can be very determined and spent months terrorizing his apartment's robotic vacuum. But after several nights of trying to extract dinner early, he was only able to scoot the feeder a few inches across the floor and never got close to knocking it over. Programming the air Wi-Fi is done entirely through the app, where you can set how many portions to dispense. Each portion is 1/24 of a cup, up to 16 per meal. You can schedule up to 10 meal times a day. The app is relatively bare bones, but straightforward to use and useful. Number 5. PetLibro Wet Food Feeder. Popular on Reddit. The PetLibro Polar Wet Food Feeder can keep 7.4 ounces of wet food at a cool 50 degrees or below for up to 3 days. Its semiconductor cooling technology quickly chills a variety of wet and semi-moist foods to preserve flavor and freshness, pausing 30 minutes before scheduled feedings so food can be served at the optimum temperature for finicky eaters. The all-in-one smart app also allows you to schedule meal times and monitor your pet's diet. The feeder features an integrated paw shield design that safely keeps wet food in, an anti-pinch lid sensor that keeps the lid open as long as your pet is eating or nearby, and a backup battery power source that provides 12 hours of protection against outages. While we haven't tested this feeder ourselves, we do have plans to test it soon. It has received some positive feedback on Reddit. And there you have it. The ultimate countdown to peace of mind. Whether you're a busy professional or just want to give your cat the consistency they crave, one of these 5 feeders is your answer. If this detailed breakdown helped you, please show your support with a thumbs up and share this with a fellow cat parent. Your support helps us keep the lights on and the tests coming. To get your hands on any of these life-changing feeders, all the direct links are in the description below. For more honest pet gear reviews and tips to make your cat's life better, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and here's to happy, well-fed kitties.